Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this small purse. I'm using 4mm crochet hook and a double knit yarn. Let's get started. Make a knot and chain 33. Start first row with a slip stitch. So make a slip stitch into the second chain from the hook and make a half double crochet into the next chain. Half double crochet into the next chain. And basically you will repeat that. So one slip stitch into the next chain, one half double crochet into the next chain. Continue until end of the row. So slip stitch into the next chain, now half double crochet into the next chain. Row finish is done. Now chain one and turn your work. And from now we will only work in the back loops. So where you can find the back loops, those are back loops. Okay, so we will work only on the back loops. We will repeat the stitches we did in the row below. If there is a half double crochet below, then we will also do a half double crochet. If there is a slip stitch below, then we will also do a slip stitch now. So I can see there is a slip stitch below, then I'm doing slip stitch. I can see half double crochet below, so I'm doing half double crochet and a slip stitch. Continue until end of the row. Next row, again, we repeat the same stitches that are in row below. This time slip stitch is first, so I'm starting with the slip stitch. And that means the next stitch is half double crochet. Continue until end of the row and repeat that row until you reach the desired width. I made 13 rows here. You can make it wider if you want. So these are my 13 rows. You can use any yarn weight and any crochet hook you want for this project, by the way. Now we fold our piece into 3 parts like that. Now we will start sewing 2 sides together and we will do single crochet around the entire purse, by the way. So insert your hook into both sides of your work and make a single crochet. On the corner make a single crochet, chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch. And now the bottom part, yes, we are doing single crochet into this bottom edge as well. Single crochet, chain 1 and single crochet into the corner, and now start to sew other side of your purse. So 1 single crochet into each stitch. And 1 single crochet around these edges. So 1 single crochet into each stitch, and on the uneven side we will try to make 1 single crochet per row. So here, this is the last edge to finish. 1 single crochet per row. Cut your yarn, hide your tail secure. Now sew on the snap and your purse is ready.